Crafting with The Life Authentic. On this channel, I do art, crafting, and inspirational videos. I hope you stick around and check out some videos, try some new things, have some fun. Alright, let me show you some projects I've made. Hello! Today I'm going to be making potion bottles. Okay, the next thing is we're going to let that dry. I'm really excited to share with you today some techniques on how to dye t-shirts. Welcome to The Life Authentic. If you like this video, click subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell to get notifications. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make a kindness cupcake. You are loved. Your heart is beautiful. You are strong. You got this. You mean a lot to those around you. And you are enough. Alrighty. Bam. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and make sure to hit the all button to receive all notifications.